Sumo and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. I'm going to show you a recipe I love to make with beef. It's a type of yassa. Yassa is a Senegalese recipe but made usually with chicken, but today I'm going to make it with beef. Really simple, so delicious. I'm sure you love this recipe, so stay tuned for it. I will show you how I made this. So guys, in a pot I'm going to heat some oil. I choose to use some beef ribs, but you can use any type of the beef for this recipe. I already boiled it for an hour with salt and pepper. Now I'm going to brown it in the oil. This recipe is just for 2 or 3 people, so I use a half kilogram of beef ribs. Once the meat is brown, remove and reserve. For my yassa sauce, I have here 2 sliced onions. Then I will add the remaining bouillon I kept after boiling the beef. I will then add 2 crushed garlic with sliced parsley and a bit of basil leaf. So for the spices, always use what you love, but for me I will add ground ginger, beef seasoning, black pepper, herbs, curry powder and salt. I'm going to reduce the oil I used for frying the meat, and then I will stir fry my onion mixture for a few minutes. Oh guys, this smells so good, I swear. Now I'm going to add a bay leaf and cook. Add a teaspoon of vinegar. Then I will also add a juice of 1 lime. You cannot talk about yassa without adding lime or lemon, so it's a must in this recipe. Once the onions are tender, I will then add the cooked beef with 1 tablespoon of mustard, adding the hot peppers are optional in this recipe, but I love some hot pepper in my sauce. Then cover this with water. Don't add too much water since the beef is already cooked. You can check the seasoning at this point and let this cook until all the liquid is completely absorbed and you can see some oil on top. This is so good, I swear, with rice or anything you like, such as fried plantain or French fries or anything you like, you can serve with this recipe. If you love the recipe, please don't forget to rate it and share it with your friends. Have a nice day. Bye.